Good morning, my dear student. That today we shall continue with the chapter 3 from your geography book, that is about the migrations. Now, in my previous class, I already discussed about what is migrations and what are the different types of it. And also, just today I just revised once, so you'll be reminded this. So, what is migrations? The migration is the movement of people from one place to another place. What is this? Movement that peoples when they travel to move from one place to another place, that is called the migration. Now the migrations that is not take place from the nowadays or from nowadays is one of the migrations occurred not like this. The migration can take place from the earlier times, that from the ancient time when the peoples they used to live in the forest area or where they live into the forest region, that from that time only the migration will be occurred. Now due to the migration take place in the earlier days due to some reasons. What are the reasons? That while the peoples they are searching of food, water or shelter also, sometimes the peoples they have to be migrated from one place to another place. Now, nowadays the peoples are being migrated for the different reasons. Someone for the job facilities, someone for the educational purpose and also health facilities, better communication, transportation. So all the different reasons are there that the peoples are being migrated. And also we discussed about what are the pull factor and the push factor of the migration. That while the peoples are being migrated, what are the reasons for that? What are the reasons are being responsible for it? So this already we are discussed. Now today our topic that we are going to discuss, that is the steps to stop the brain drain. Now before that, what is brain drain? The brain drain means in which type of migration process the skilled workers like the teachers, doctors or the very talented, well-educated scientists, teachers, doctors, while engineers, while they are migrating from the parent country to host country. This type of the migration process are known by the name of brain drain. Now if this type of peoples are being migrated, now then the parent country especially, they have to be affected in a more. And one more thing is clear, that was the parent country, which one is the host country. That suppose there are two places here. Here is the one place and here is the one place. Okay. Suppose this one is the India and this one is the USA. Okay. Or UK. Just I am taking one example. Now while the peoples are migrating from India to USA. Listen. While the peoples are migrating from India to USA, because India is a developing country, USA is a developing country. Now while the peoples are migrating, so due to this India, these are the migration or the India, this country, these are the country it's known by the name of from where the peoples have been migrated. This country are known as the parent country. And from where they migrated, which place, that is called the host country. Clear? From which country the peoples have been migrated, this country is known as the parent country, and where they migrated, which place, that is called the host country. So by this way, that while the peoples they have to be migrated, and not only the common peoples, only the skilled workers or the talented peoples, like the doctors, engineers or the teachers, that while they have to migrate like this type of migration is known by the name of brain drain. Now, how to stop it? How to stop this brain drain? What are the steps we have to be followed? The first one is to give the facility. Always we should provide, from the government onwards, we should provide the more facilities. Then only it can possible that we have to stop the brain drain. The second is we give the more opportunity to the people. That according to that, they have to stop the brain drain. Because the people, if they get all the salaries and all the benefits, those are the opportunities they are supposed to deserve. If they get in our country, that time they does not move into the other country. So here only they will stay. Now the third one is if they get the scholarship. Those are the people who are very talented but they are very poor. If they get the scholarship from the government onwards, that time they can continue their study. We can utilize their brain properly. Otherwise, and the last point is we should provide them the proper environment for the workplace. Nowadays, many of the workplaces here that the politicals or the society, they have to be afraid. So this interference we have to be stopped. And they give the proper environment for the work. And the last one is the free independence. That those are the peoples, they are the research workers, they are the person, they should get the independence. So they can, by fluently, they can express their thoughts, their idea, by which we can get the more profit or from themselves. So these are the things we have to be followed. Then only it can possible that we have to stop the brain drain. Okay. Now the next part is the what is brain drain. What is the brain drain? It's very easy. That during the brain drain process, that the host country receive the huge number of the migrant, and this phase of this country is known by the name of brain drain, or this process, in which process the host country receive huge number of migrants. This process is known as the brain drain. Okay, and the last one is the reverse brain drain. What is the reverse brain drain? That when the peoples or the from the developing country to the developed country, they have to migrate during the brain drain process. But after some years, after 10 years, 5 years, while the peoples again return back from the developed country to developed country, means from their next region, the new place to their old region or the origin place. This type of migration or this type of migration is known by the name of reverse brain drain. Again I repeat, what is the brain drain? You know that while the peoples migrate from the developing to the developed country or parent to the host country, that is called the brain drain. Now what is the reverse brain drain? That when the peoples they have to migrate from the host country to parent country, this type of migrations is known as the reverse brain drain. Okay, so these things that I hope you have to understand. And also, once you read your books, then also if you have any doubt, any clarifications, you can ask in your next lectures. Thank you.